Hi, it's Amy, your Mac mentor, with a quick tip about Zoom today. We do a lot of appointments and meetings and classes on Zoom, and a lot of our clients use Zoom. So I wanted to show you how to update your Zoom client on a Mac or an iOS device. And starting in November 2021, Zoom is requiring everybody have the latest version of Zoom for security purposes. So here is how you can check for an update on your Mac. When you open up Zoom, you can go to the upper left-hand corner where you see the Zoom menu and click here and check for updates. This is going to check for an update, and look at that, I have one. So I'm going to click update and install. And then you just walk through the installer here. It just takes a couple of clicks, and then your password or Touch ID if you have that. And in just a couple of minutes, your Zoom will be up to date and you've got all the latest features and security enhancements, and you're ready to go. Okay, we're ready to join a meeting. Now, if you're on an iPhone or iPad and you have Zoom installed, you can go to your App Store, and then you can tap on your icon in the upper right if you're logged in with your Apple ID. And this is going to show you all of your updates that are available here. Now, I don't have a Zoom update showing here, but if there was an update, it would be right on the top. And then instead of open, I would see an update button, and you would just tap that and validate it with your Apple ID, and you're all set. So I hope that was helpful today, and if you have any more questions, visit us at mymacmentor.com. Thanks and have a great day.